welcome back to the channel. We're going to Afinia. Some of the boys are going to race, taking Izzy. Yeah, Izzy is back, but with some little issues. So we're heading out now because we are very late. Made it here, boys are chilling. Mahmood, what's good? Yeah, all packed up. Izzy is right there. Made it safely. Yeah, Ahmed and the boys. And this one carbon day inside. So today we're gonna see this car go against that. Let's see how it goes. So we're gonna drive onto the tarmac. Everybody just roll and go. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The races will start in a little bit, but yeah, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. So as I told you, we're making our way onto the tarmac. Yeah. Two cars gonna go head to head today, this and that. Comment down below who you think is gonna win. Well, they're supposed to race, so let's see who is going to win. Yeah, you got the M8 and then the CLS63. See the cat. I really like this GR Hilux. I don't know whether you can tell, but you can see like there's glitter in the paint. So nice. This, yeah. I like it. That's just a taste of what it sounds like. So this is the Dodge Durango Hellcat. You can see the titanium exhaust under the titanium. It sounds so good. So we're gonna hear that under acceleration. Yeah. Open up the engine bay. So as you can see, you got a smaller pulley, smaller belt. Carbon fiber. So the M8 is gonna go against the Durango. Let's see how that goes. gonna try and get another angle for you guys from the front this time. We're doing a second one because the M8 said he did it on as well. Ahmed. I think this was a closer race. I think this was a closer race. Ah, he got him. He caught him. You jump, oh!
Even though they take off a little jump, but the difference was
Wow.
Oh, the difference was
Tones. Yeah. So the E36 wagon versus the Honda Accord. Come on! Ready? The guy put it in race mode. Hey! Yeah. So now the two cars we've been waiting for to race are here. So cool. You can see his yellow intakes. Woo. You can see his purple intakes. Yo! Ahmed won. Ahmed won. Hey, Martin, what do you have to say?
Honestly speaking, we knew that IB had prepared. And then Ahmed was saying he doesn't even have tires. And then it's evident. But looking at this, the lunch was bang on. They were neck and neck. And then the
Relax.
The lunch perfect.
Yeah.
We didn't hear it because you don't sound. You knew before I made the car.
What do you have to say, man? Round 2. You love it? So now we have the two M8s. So that's an M8 competition, and that's an M8 competition. This is a Grand Coupe, this is a convertible. This is stock, not tuned. This is tuned. So we have to see how we're gonna see how that goes. As you can see, this has semi-slicks, some regular tires. This is straight piped, as you can hear. It's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna see how they take off. You can see the zombie as well in the back seat. Yeah, in line. race, you could hear the blue M8 was misfiring. It was just misfiring up top. That's crazy. The supercharger. Yo, the supercharger is mental. So this is an E92 M3. So I have an E93 355 IS. This is the high performance version of that one. The wheels look so cool. V8. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, that's the Dyna exhaust one. Yeah. When I was younger, this was like one of my favorites. This was my favorite car, not one, my favorite car of all time. The E92 M3. It sounds so clean. Fam, Charlie, my ears are gone. My ears are gone. My ears are actually gone.
Charlie, raise down.
Yeah.
The last one. You wanted the last one.
Yeah. Just collect it. Is there reactions from you?
The best way the way carry me for here.
In the video, your car looks black. Come on. This is just a real battle. Wolf.
Before finish.